day one of ceiling work. You can see that we are putting up the furring strips here. So we're putting a 1/2-inch board all the way across to screw in our cedar tongue and groove. Woo-hoo! We are damn near gonna have something that is an actual surface. Crazy to celebrate such a small thing, but it is nice to complete something. So as you can see, every rib now has these. We have this last rib right here. That does not, we're putting our last board in, and from there, we'll start the tongue and groove. See what happens. Say hi, Missy.
Hello.
Day 2 of ceiling work. We got everything taped off, wires ran, our furring strips right here put up yesterday, and today we're actually going to hopefully have a ceiling, or most of it go up. The corners, of course, by the walls are going to be hard to finish, but so here we go. Very momentary change as we got a lot of rain there for a second. We're underneath the carports, but just had to move a couple things around.
Yeah, after surviving the monsoon downpour, we finally got started. Putting up the first boards, we just ran beside both ceiling fans straight end to end, so we kind of had our marker for the passenger side. And we started from there. It felt good every single board we put up. So you'll see us connecting everything to the wood furring strips we have going in the van. We have those connected to the metal ribs that the sprinters provide with a few things. We're using an adhesive called Sikaflex 252, which is an unbelievable adhesive. The strength is just phenomenal. We also have 3 screws going into the rib, one on each end, one in the middle, so they are connected with ease. From there, we're just connecting each of the wood planks to the furring strips as we go. Yeah, the struggle is real, guys. You can see our beautiful blue tarp back behind the van here. The torrential downpour started back up, and we're trying to protect ourselves here. Not only is it about 97 degrees in Charleston with pure humidity, but now with the rain, it is just like a sauna. So that's all right. We'll forge forward, keep working on the van, and we really liked how everything was falling together.
Show you our little workshop in the rain for the ceiling out at a friend of mine's house. Nice little carport there. Say hi, Missy. Staying dry under here. The rain was just whipping in with the wind, so we, shouldn't say we, he threw up a little tarp for us as we worked. And we have some ceiling. Yeah!
Yeah, so far we're really happy how everything was going. We're finally past the fans here, and everything was working pretty well. Everything is decently square other than we made it to the passenger side van there. The wall, we had to make some special angle cuts, but everything was working really good.
All right, folks, let's take a look. About 2/3, or yeah, 2/3 of the way done. I'm instructed by the wife that's the right calculation. Looking good. Looks like a van. Extremely excited. I think it can come out well. It is tongue and groove Northwest Cedar. We're using, let's see if sorry for the shake here. Finishing screws, or I'm sorry, finishing washer there, if that comes into focus. just to try to give it a little look. Very happy how it's coming out so far. If you've done anything in the van yet, you've probably figured out that nothing is square and everything is interesting, and we are not carpenters by any stretch of the imagination. So it's coming out really good. Very excited. Until next time! We are done. We are done. We are done. We are done. So happy. The battery died on the camera. Excuse me. The battery died on the camera, so our last couple boards we put in we don't have, but everything like that we do have. We're done. We're trying to look at stains, figure out what we're going to do. It's cedar. So we're trying to figure out if we need to stain it or if we can leave it. I don't know. Once this video's out, we'll be well beyond that point, but we'll see what we're going to do. It is fantastic to be done. We're done. Very happy. All right, folks. As far as we can, this is our finished product.
Hallelujah.
Van should be more square. So we got to put our walls in, so we'll find out how that meets up, but all of our wood is in and looks good. We really like it. We're gonna try out some stains so we can get our fan covers in. All right, our light is fading some, but I'll just show the finished product. You can see that board right there. We're just testing some stain on, some natural clear stain. But there we are done. Here's the other side of that. Good to be done.